Hello everyone, welcome to Learn with Saddam. In today's lesson, we are going to learn about one of the most important topics in English grammar, parts of speech. Every English sentence is made up of different kinds of words, and each word has its own job. By the end of this lesson, you will know what the eight parts of speech are and why they are important. So let's begin. Before we learn the different parts of speech, let's understand what they are. Parts of speech are categories of words based on the job they do in a sentence. Every word has a purpose. Some words name people, places, or things. Some describe them. Some show actions, while others connect ideas. Let's look at a simple example. Sahil plays football. The word Sahil names a person. The word plays shows an action. The word football names a thing. So even though these words are in the same sentence, each one has a different function. These different functions are what we call the parts of speech. You might be wondering, why should I learn parts of speech? The answer is simple. They are the foundation of English grammar. When you understand the job of each word, it becomes much easier to build correct sentences. This knowledge also improves your speaking and writing skills because you will know how words work together. Whether you are writing an email, speaking in class, or preparing for an exam, parts of speech will help you communicate more clearly and confidently. Remember, knowing the job of each word makes English much easier to understand. There are eight main parts of speech in English grammar. Each one has a different job. A noun names a person, place, thing, or idea. A pronoun takes the place of noun to avoid repetition. A verb shows an action or a state of being. An adjective describes a noun or pronoun. An adverb gives more information about a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. A preposition shows the relationship between words such as place or time. A conjunction joins words, phrases, or clauses. And an interjection expresses sudden feelings or emotions. In the next few minutes, we will look at each one with simple examples. Let's begin with the first part of speech, the noun. A noun is a word that names a person, place, thing, or idea. For example, Ali is a person, school is a place, book is a thing, and honesty is an idea. Now look at this sentence. Ali is reading a book. Here, Ali is a noun because it names a person, and book is also a noun because it names a thing. Whenever you see a word that names someone or something, it is usually a noun. The second part of speech is the pronoun. A pronoun is a word that replaces a noun. We use pronouns to avoid repeating the same noun again and again. For example, look at these two sentences. Ali is a good student. Ali studies every day. Repeating the name Ali sounds unnatural. Instead, we say Ali is a good student. He studies every day. Here, the word he replaces the noun Ali. That is why he is called a pronoun. Some common pronouns are I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. Now let's learn about verbs. A verb is a word that shows an action or a state of being. Action verbs tell us what someone or something does, such as run, read, write, eat, and sing. Being verbs describe a condition or state, such as is, am, are, was, and were. Look at the sentence. Ali plays cricket. The word plays tells us what Ali does. So it is a verb. Now look at this sentence. She is happy. Here the word is doesn't show an action. Instead, it tells us about her state of being. That's why is also a verb. The fourth part of speech is the adjective. An adjective is a word that describes a noun or a pronoun. It gives us more information about a person, place, thing, or idea. For example, adjectives can tell us about size, color, shape, quality, or age. Look at the sentence. She has a beautiful dress. The word beautiful tells us more about the dress, so it is an adjective. Look at another sentence. Ali is a smart student. The word smart describes the student. Adjectives make our sentences more interesting and more descriptive. The fifth part of speech is the adverb. An adverb gives us more information about a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. It can tell us how, when, where, how often, or to what extent something happens. For example, in the sentence, Ali runs quickly. The word quickly tells us how Ali runs, so it describes the verb runs. In the sentence, she is very intelligent. The word very describes the adjective intelligent. Adverbs help us make our sentences more clear and more detailed. The sixth part of speech is the preposition. A preposition shows the relationship between a noun or pronoun and another word in a sentence. It can tell us about the place, time, or direction. For example, in the sentence, the book is on the table. The word on shows the position of the book in relation to the table. In the sentence, we go to school every day. The word to shows the direction. Common prepositions include in, on, under, at, before, after, to, and from. Learning prepositions helps us describe where, when, and how things are connected. The seventh part of speech is the conjunction. A conjunction is a word that joins words, phrases, or clauses together. It helps us connect ideas and make our sentences smoother. Some common conjunctions are and, but, or, because, and so. Look at the sentence. Ali and Ahmed are friends. The word and joins the two nouns Ali and Ahmed. Now look at another sentence. She was tired, but she finished her homework. Here the word but joins two clauses and shows a contrast. Conjunction help us connect our thoughts clearly. The eighth and final part of speech is the interjection. An interjection is a word or phrase that expresses a sudden feeling or emotion. It is often followed by an exclamation mark. Some common interjections are wow, hooray, oops, oh, alas. For example, in the sentence, wow, this painting is beautiful. The word wow expresses surprise. In the sentence, hooray, we won the match. The word hooray expresses joy. Keep it in mind, interjections make our speech more natural and expressive. Let's quickly review what we have learned today. A noun names a person, place, thing, or idea. A pronoun replaces a noun. A verb shows an action or state. An adjective describes a noun or pronoun. An adverb describes a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. A preposition shows the relationship between words. A conjunction joins words, phrases, or clauses. Finally, an interjection expresses sudden feelings or emotions. If you remember these eight parts of speech, you will have a strong foundation in English grammar. Thank you for watching this lesson on the parts of speech. I hope you have now a clear understanding of the eight basic parts of speech in English grammar. Remember, learning grammar is easier when you practice a little every day. If you found this video helpful, please like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Learn with Saddam for more easy English lessons. In our next lesson, we will study nouns in detail with many examples. Until then, keep learning and keep improving. See you in the next video.